had a lot of fun making this ocean in a bottle craft, and I have at least 4 different ways that you can try. You're going to want to get some vegetable oil, and you're going to want to get some food coloring, blue, and a container to mix the water and food coloring until it's the right color. I would recommend only 1 drop, and then just start dumping it out and adding more water until it's the right color. I like this color. Then you can add it to the bottle and put shells and sand only in it. That's pretty nice. I like that. You can add it in the bottom, put shells and sand, and then a little oil, and it makes everything move around kind of cool. I didn't like this one as much because it gets cloudy. This one has no water or oil in it, just packed full of shells and a little bit of sand. And this one feels like a science experiment. These things are preserved. There's no water. It's just oil and sand. So whatever effect you want to go with, make sure that you upload it to our Instagram and tag it with DKPL Teens. Thanks.